Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Tinder age. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I've compiled a few different ways how to do this. So to change your Tinder age, so if you signed up with Facebook, what you first need to do is update your Facebook profile. And then open the Facebook app or website, go to your profile and click on About section, and then edit your birthday to your correct age from there. And then wait for the update. So Tinder will automatically sync your Facebook information within a few days. Your age on Tinder will update accordingly. Or if you signed up with a phone number, unfortunately, if you sign up for Tinder using your phone number, you cannot change your age directly. Instead, you need to delete your account. So delete your current account and create a new one with the correct age. Here's how. So delete your Tinder account. So open the Tinder app, go to settings, tap the profile icon at the top left and scroll down. Tap delete account and follow the instructions to permanently delete it. Number 2 here, create a new account. So once your account is deleted, re-download Tinder and open it again. Sign up with your phone number and make sure to enter the correct age this time. But please make note, deleting your account will remove all matches, messages and profile data as well.